Hi everyone, I'm Dan Loughnane, the National Sales Manager for Gallagher Animal Management in New Zealand. Today I want to show you a new product innovation we've got, which is the S12 Lithium Solar Fence Energizer. This is an evolution from our S10 solar energizer, which has been in the market for a long time. Let's open up the box and show you a few things about it. So the first thing we've done, as you can see, it's now in a cardboard carton, so that's more environmentally friendly than the old plastic blister packs. In the box we have our new Energizer, the S12. I've got the fence lead set to connect to the fence and the user manual. The first thing you'll notice about the S12 is how small and compact it is. There's a couple of reasons for that. First one is the solar panel on here. We've got the latest and greatest solar panel technology, and the other key one is the battery that we use in here. So now we're using a lithium battery, which is similar to the batteries used in Tesla electric cars, but with the battery and the solar panel combined, it makes it a really efficient unit. We can charge from dead flat to 100% in 4 hours. Just to compare that to the old S10 would have taken 10 hours to do that. In development of the S12, we spoke to a lot of users of our current models, the S10 and others. We identified a few common frustrations or pain points in using the solar energizers, and we've looked to address those with some key features of the S12. The first one is there's only one lead in the box, there's only one terminal, that's the power terminal. Every other energizer will have two terminals, an earth and power, and we've managed to remove the earth terminal by incorporating the earthing of the system into the mount. That's one less thing to go wrong, and it means that once it's mounted on a steel post, it's going to work effectively. It's up out of the grass and it's going to perform on the fence really well. So that's just a quick introduction of the S12, a real game changer for portable electric fencing. If you want more information, please go to our website on am.gallagher.com.